Creamy chicken mushroom Alfredo. It only takes about 10 minutes to make. This is really good comfort food. Let's make it. Chicken mushroom Alfredo. This is really good comfort food for the fall and winter. And like every good recipe, 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt that down. The recipe for this is going to be below in the comments, the exact ingredients. I'm going to put in a couple of tablespoons of onion, chopped. I'm going to saute this up with some garlic and mushrooms. I'll throw the mushrooms in now. And the garlic, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Put a little more in if you like it. I'll just take 1 more minute. There we go. Now we're going to throw in a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. This will reduce down nicely too. And I've got some Himalayan pink salt. And some fresh ground pepper. Add in a couple of tablespoons of cream cheese. And a 1/2 cup of freshly grated parmesan cheese. And we're just gonna melt that, heat it up. Now for the chicken, I roasted chicken breast, and I actually poured the juices in from the breast too. You can use store chicken, you know, the ones you get from Costco and from grocery stores that are already pre-cooked. You can use that and just take the breast off. You could do it with dark meat too. I've never done it with dark meat, but. So I'm just going to warm this up in this sauce. And if your cream mixture gets too thick, you can add a little more cream. Or today I'm going to put a little bit of some white Chardonnay in there. That'll go really nice with the noodles. And we're just warming this up. I'm going to add a little bit of green onions in, or scallions. One or 2, nicely chopped. And a little bit of parsley from the garden. And what can make this better? Bacon. I've got a couple of slices of butcher's bacon, nicely cooked. That'll add a nice smoky flavor. So that cubed chicken is nicely warm now, and I am a big fan of these new noodles that we discovered. So we're 2 years last week keto, eating 25 carbs or less a day, and geez, it's changed our lives. Besides getting rid of my big gut and losing 35 pounds, I have non-scale victories like I'm off all my blood pressure medication, my arthritis is gone in my knees and my feet, my elbows and wrists. I'm dodging hereditary heart failure and strokes, and I'm no longer pre-diabetic. So it's doing a lot for me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I've got lots of recipes just like this one. This is really good comfort food for fall, winter. These Zeroodles are low carb, non-GMO, and they actually taste and they smell, when they're cooking, they smell like pasta, like real pasta, and it tastes like real pasta. So this one is mung bean fettuccine, and then there's some non-GMO soybean spaghetti. And so I have a little mixture here of both. So there's 3 carbs and 50 grams. And I have 150 grams that I've pre-cooked here, and I'm just going to toss it in just to warm it up. I don't serve the sauce on top. I sort of mix the the pasta in with it. Your other option is spaghetti squash, and this has 7.8 net carbs per 175 grams. It can get kind of carby, so that's fun, but I prefer the Zeroodles. Oh yeah, look at that with the bacon in there and the chunks of chicken, roast chicken, and the cream sauce. Wow. And I'm going to, this is enough for two, so there's 13 and a half carbs in this whole recipe. You couldn't even eat that. The two of us won't even eat all of this. We're going to have some, going to serve it with some broccoli on the side and maybe a leafy salad. I like that, that's nicely heated. Turn this off. There you go, there's a chicken mushroom Alfredo. 13 and a half carbs and all of that. Thanks for watching.